Hello, my name is Zeferino Suarez Lopez and I'm from Timor-Leste. I'm excited to apply for the ASEAN Future Forum NextGen Workshop 2026. I want to join this event because I strongly believe that the future of regional leadership depends on young people who are prepared, strategic, and collaborative. Today, our region faces a complex challenge like economic development, digital transformation, social inclusion, and climate resilience. To respond to these challenges, we need leaders who are not only have a passion but also practical skill in regional understanding and a strong network. The ASEAN Future Forum NextGen Workshop is a unique platform that brings together emerging leaders from different backgrounds across the region. I see this as a valuable opportunity to learn from experienced mentors, exchange ideas, and improve my leadership mindset. Most importantly, I want to gain strategic tools that I can apply in my community and professional work to create sustainable and inclusive impact. I am ready to share my perspective, listen to others, and also I have experience working in water supply and sanitation in Timor-Leste, which has helped me to understand the importance of teamwork, communication, and problem solving across different cultures and sectors. I believe leadership is not about individual success, but about empowering others and working together for sharing regional progress. Thank you for considering my application. I hope I will be joined as a part of ASEAN Future Forum NextGen Workshop 2026 and to grow as a responsible regional leader. Thank you.